Hello. Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Today we're gonna continue our episode number 6 requirement analysis video for mechanical engineering summer semester in engineering sciences, which are only focused on master degree. These are the criteria that we have put, and when we put this criteria we got 30 colleges. But when we take out summer semester, then it is also coming around 58-60 colleges. But after finishing the summer semester focused colleges, then we will also search or switch into winter semester. Then I will also make requirement analysis of winter semester colleges, then also make a application video if the application is open. That's how it is planned. Then in the previous video you already saw, we showed you how to apply for HTBW private university, which will be costing around 20,000 euros, and I showed you detailed requirement analysis and also showed you a detailed application procedure how you can work on. And today, as I told you, it will be episode number 6, and in episode number 6 it will be computational methods in engineering CME for Leibniz University of Hannover. Before that, if you're new to this channel and you don't know anything about this channel, in this channel we make two types of videos. At one we make requirement analysis video, and another one we will make also application videos. In requirement analysis videos we usually go through that website and get to know the degrees and put a filter for which are the degrees that you are interested as of now. Say example, electrical, mechanical, computer science, civil, etc. Then each filter will yield us like 50 to 60, 100 colleges. Then we go into each college and do the requirement analysis video, understand the requirement, what are the registration procedure, and what are the documents that we need to have in order to get into that particular college. After that, we also get to know the deadlines and where to apply. After having all this information gathered in requirement analysis video, we just put everything in our Excel sheet. After that, when the application deadline is nearing, then we will also show you how to apply in each step-by-step procedure for that particular course. Upon this, if you're still in one-on-one session with me, then you want me to apply for you, then you can always contact me via email, or you can also become a YouTube member. Then we can also have one-on-one session, and or I can also help you. Without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. As I told you, we will be doing episode number 6 for computational methods engineering in Leibniz University of Hannover. Whenever we do the requirement analysis, we just go through the overview, course detail, cost and funding, requirements and registration. In the overview, you can just see it's a degree of Master of Science in Computational Methods in Engineering. Course location is in Hanover. Teaching language is both in English and German. So all compulsory courses are held in English. Elective courses are held in English and German. So all compulsory courses and thesis can be written in English, but elective courses which are only some are there in German and some are there in English. This is common. If you want to just finish it off all your elective without knowing the subjects, then you can also finish the English language elective subjects to gain credits. But you want to just focus on the subjects or so focus on the area that you're interested, then you need to also tackle some of the courses which are in German. Then full-time, part-time, it is both possible. There is also full-time opportunity and also part-time opportunity where you can also study alongside the work. Program duration is 4 semester, and beginning of semester is both in winter and summer semester. Then application from the student from non-U. So you need to apply for VPD from UNI assist is required, and 15th April to 31st May is for winter semester, and 15th October to 30th November is for summer semester. And we have missed the deadline by around 10-15 days. So the deadline for applying for this particular course was 30th November, and also having with VPD. So people who have missed it, they will not apply for this particular course in summer. We will just tackle that in winter, because in winter it is starting in 15th April, and we have ample amount of time to prepare for VPD video and also application video how this applies. For this particular application video, you need to have a VPD, then apply in their online portal. So it's a two-step procedure. Then prospective students applying outside EU must have a preliminary examination document, which is VPD from UNI assist before applying for this master degree program. The processing time of VPD takes 4 to 8 weeks. Therefore, please make sure that you apply faster. So 30th November is the application deadline. Then you have to start applying before that 8 weeks or 10 weeks for your VPD. So that's what they're saying, and that is always common, so no need to worry. Then tuition fees per semester, there is no tuition fees. Combined degree program is also not possible. Joint degree program is also not possible. Then description of content, you can just see whenever you do the following new special sophisticated computational methods, you will be get ready for more than FEM, explore modern element technologies, solve real world challenges with multi-scale multi-physics modeling simulation, write your own machine learning and predict material and structural properties. These are the core knowledges that you will be learning when you finish this course. But in more detail, you will find in course detail. The master degree program is organized into mandatory elective, which are main taught in first and second semester from English language only. Most of the course subjects are in English, as I told you. Then the mandatory course are related to sophisticated skills in computational engineering. In third semester, you can choose between writing an interdisciplinary project or going abroad or doing a practical project within the industry, whichever you like. And the fourth semester is always your master thesis. This is how the fourth semester course is divided, but we will get more information when we go and do the requirement analysis inside the application or in the official website of Leibniz University of Hannover when we are applying. But we are not applying now, as we have already missed the deadline. We will focus on applying on this in winter semester. Then after finishing a degree, a diploma supplement will be issued for you, and in the third semester you will have the possibility to do a practical project within the university, which is considered also as an internship. Then course specific German language course, no. Course specific English language course is also not there. Cost and funding, as we already told, it is none, but you have to pay the semester contribution approximately 400 euros, which with this it will be also include your student ticket. With this student ticket, you can travel as of now complete Germany for free with regional buns. Once the Deutschland ticket is lifted, then you will be only allowed to travel in the Niedersachsen or any of the Hanover state comes under. You can just travel around in that city or state. Then cost of living is 850 to 1000 euros. That's what they have mentioned, but this usually depends on the person who is living. So usually in Germany it is estimated up to 1000 to 1200. That's the max. So people who are living inside that, then it is good for you. If it is living more than that, then you need to look for a job or part-time job or get a funding from your parents or something like that. And in the first year, you don't need to worry, because you will be anyway blocking your blocked account, and that blocked account will be blocked for 12 months, and each month you will get your blocked account share. And at first year you don't very much. In the second year, you have to at least find a part-time job so that you can take care of yourself in the next coming years. Then your visa will be also extended. Then a funding opportunity within the university. Yes, there are so many funding opportunity within the university possible. A tuition fees can waiver with the Hanover funding. Then Deutschland stipend, neither state stipend, both are, all three are there. You can apply whichever you. Then requirements and registration. In order to apply for this particular course, what are the things that you need to have? At first, the admission requirement for bachelor degree program in engineering subject attached civil engineering mechanical. You should have studied either civil or mechanical with the mathematics of at least 15 credit points. Mechanics, statistics, kinematics, elastic statistics at least 18 credit points. Computer science, computer programming 12 credit points. Natural science at least 10 credit points. Numerical methods, finite element method 6 credit points. Fundamental or foundation of probability theory for 5 credit points. So these are the mandatory modules you should have studied in order to match the bachelor degree in Leibniz University of Hannover. When you have studied all this, then you can match, and then they'll give also admission for you guys. But for this, in order to prove, you have to also upload the module handbook. Then you can prove that, okay, I have studied all this ECTS based on what they have asked. Then applicant must provide a proof of English language certificate of C1. C1 is nothing but 7 and above, and a German level of A1 at the time of application itself. So you need to have both IELTS C1, which is 7 and above, then German level A1 minimum, which will be your Goethe, TELC or any of the recognized certificates. Application, how to apply and when to apply, we already know. So application deadline is from 15th April to 31st May for the year of winter semester, and 15th October to 30th November for previous summer semester. So this is only for international EU student, the application deadline. But with this, we have to also take into consideration that we have to apply for VPT and get it before 8 weeks applying for this particular deadline. Then non-EU applicants, we will apply VPD in UNI. Then we will come back to online application portal that they have and apply here. Then services. After getting an admission, you will usually get your visa. With this student visa, you can work for 140 full days and 280 half days. With this 140 full days, 280 half days visa, you can either work as a part-time and also full-time jobs. And in full-time means you can work as a full-time internship for 6 months, which you will use your 140 full days. Then here you can also do in technical and non-technical jobs. Either in technical jobs you can work as a research assistant, HEVI, work student, any of the research assistant institute. Then if you don't find anything in technical field, then you can also work as non-technical, where you can also work in restaurants, any of the other non-technical jobs. Then there will be also always internal job posting where you can find heavy, and there will be also student job outside university portal, which is Job Eco Uni Hannover. You can also find there. Then links to accommodation. If you find in student and work, then is good. If not, then you can also find inside Hanover, where you can also get cheaper accommodation, or you can also live around the outskirts where Braunschweig is there, where and all, which is very less. Then there will be welcome event, specialist counseling and other things will be always there. About the university, if you want to get to know about the university, when the Leibniz University of Hannover started, it's a good college and all, but based on my experience, I can just say it's one of the TU9, so it's very reputed college, and it's also very good college. You can also go through and understand who are the alumni and when it started and other things. But yeah, this thing I just wanted to mention you guys in episode number 6 for Leibniz University of Hannover.